Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Oma. Today I'll be talking about the best design tool on mobile between the Canva app and the Spark Post app. These two apps are the best in the market, offering impeccable design options for creatives and content creators who want to churn out exciting and engaging content right from their mobile devices. Now, if design is for you, if you love to design and you're looking for a design tool offering that all in one package, then this video is for you. I'll be breaking it all down here, eventually unveiling my particular favorite and the best app for you. So make sure you watch this video to the end. If you're still interested in learning more, ensure you smash that like button down there, subscribe, and keep watching. Now, let's get started. Mwah.
When the beat drop, I'ma give it straight to him like, give it to him, give it to him, give it to him.
Now, to kick off our design comparisons, we are starting off with Canva. Canva is such an incredible app with free and paid for features that will leave your audience literally drooling for more. They have really exciting templates, great creative options for you to choose from. Now, when you first land on Canva app, you notice that you have over 60,000 templates to choose from. Now, Canva displays their content by template, meaning you literally have the flyer, card, Twitter post, different templates for you to get your design game on, so you can literally select from an array of over 60,000 templates for you to get started, or you can just start off by creating your own unique page. I have literally done a video in the past week concerning how to edit incredible videos, ads, and even content carousel, you name it, right from the Canva app, and it is all for free. They also have a paid for version that will be way more convenient for you to literally elevate your design game. So all you need to do is to select a template that you would like to work on, move things around, and your design is up and running. Canva is a great design tool. I would definitely advise it for anybody, beginner, intermediate, advanced. Just have a convenient way to start designing on the go. Now, if you want to learn more on how to design on Canva, like I said earlier on, I have done an extensive video which I'll be putting a link above right there, so you can start your own design journey right from your mobile device. You don't necessarily need anything big. And Canva is also available on desktop, so all my desktop gurus and geniuses, you are not left out on the design game. You can design incredible things right from your devices on desktop, your laptops, or you can just head on to your app store, download the Canva app, and get started. Next off, of course, we are starting with the Spark Post app. This is literally the holy grail of designing. Spark Post offers an array of design, but unlike how Canva displays their own, Spark Post displays their own in terms of purpose. Now, do you want to do an animation, a collage, a seasonal post celebrating Easter, Christmas, a festive season, lifestyle, business? That is how they group their own. Now, when you open it, you can literally find various design templates for you to choose from to move around, but be careful also because some of them are paid for, and I will not want you guys to start moving things around that are paid for because you have a copyright issue. Okay, so opt for the free version, but if you can afford the paid for version, then definitely you go on ahead and start designing. Spark Post, I have done an extensive video on how to design on Spark Post, and I can tell you for a big fact, you should definitely start designing on. It's a great design tool. It's available on the App Store and of course on desktop and laptop devices, so your design game is not halted in any way. It is one of the best design tools in the market at the moment. Just like Canva, you can just pick a template that you like, move things around and get started, this is one feature that I particularly love about Spark Post. The fact that you can literally eliminate the background of any picture of your choice, so it just leaves just what you want to have on screen. Now look at what happens when I click the remove background feature. Now this feature is only available for free now on the beta version because it is still in testing mode, but as soon as it leaves the testing mode, guys, it's going back to premium. So ensure you make the most out of this particular app as you can now on the free version. Canva is Spark Post is a great app. I'll definitely advise it for anybody. You should definitely go on your social media, go on the App Store and download the Spark Post app. Spark Post, guys. It's Spark Post app. Thank you very much. Now, let's go back to Canva. Now, even though I know that Canva is such an incredible design option, featuring over 60,000 templates, designs for you to choose from for free, creating on the go, engaging, eye-captivating content, nothing comes close to what Spark Post offers. Spark Post is the design tool all other design tools literally bow to, and you can check it out I'll leave a link to the video. I did an extensive video on how to edit on the Spark Post app. Now you tell me, which of these apps or design tools have you used? I would love to know which one you find more exciting and more interesting. I have my particular favorite and my particular winner, and it is Spark Post. Till I come away next week, my name is Ensure you like, subscribe and share. Goodbye.